again, sobrang compensated pagdating sa atake ng CSB Lady Blazers.
Meanwhile, Angel Habakon continues to soar and score for San Beda. Gets the first point for the girls in white and red here in set number 3.
And I'm loving her celebration every time na makakapuntos siya. The swag. Makita mo yung fierceness eh.
Yun yung kabaliktaran ng nonchalant.
Yes.
Back set, drop ball by Apostol. Gets the point for Benil.
Apostol.
So pati si Corinne Apostol gumagawa na rin ng puntos para sa Lady Blazers.
Everyone on the side of the CSB Lady Blazers sobrang ready.
What a deep team for Coach Jerry. Micah Go. Go. San Beda ready for her. Angel gets denied.
Block point for South Nolasco.
Good blocking by the CSB Lady Blazers. Ang ganda ng pagkakatapat. Humabol na lang si Nolasco. Saradong-sarado yung cross-court attack na hinahanap ni Habakon dapat.
Back set. Molina. Oh, miss set.
Jaden Taba.
You love the effort by the kids.
It's nice to see them diving, going for that ball. Pero nga, that set was too close sa net. Para kay Habakon.
Habakon actually jumping over the libero.
Yeah. What a sight. Nakakatuwa eh. Nakita ka ng ganong effort eh.
These are rookies.
It's an ace.
The libero is Mikay Flores, also a rookie libero.
Nolasco sa harap.
Habakon. And Tapa. Nothing there. Cross court. Micah Go.
And they
Not
say it's
over.
outside. Yeah.
Goes out. Point goes to Lady Red Spikers.
Nonchalant pa si Micah Gumayo.
Talagang na pinapahirapan si Micah na makuha yung unang puntos niya. Kasi doon mo talaga masasabi na she's truly back.
Yeah, she's back.
And I'm sure a lot of Benildians are waiting for that moment. And sometimes, Anjo, I'm sure you know this, as a player, all it takes is one solid play para bumalik yung kumpiyansa.
Yes, to remember who you really are deep inside. Muscle memory lang yan. Pero speaking of muscle memory, Habakon putting too much muscle para sa spike na yon, para madepensa na CSB Lady Blazers. That set was too low para kay Tapa.
Lady Red Spikers.
Awkward angle. Outside.
Good save by Jade. Micah. Angel. Another point for Angel Habakon.
Good adjustment para kay Habakon. Andun yung blockers. Top angle. Very, very deep cross court. And first time kung nakitang kinausap ni Coach Jerry yung player niya sa loob. Ngayong third set lang.
And you can see the seriousness in the demeanor of Coach Jerry Yee.
And Anton, brother, first time pala nagkaroon ng lamang itong San Beda Lady Spikers for this game.
Micah Go.
Ooh.
Welcome back,
Go.
Micah
Yes.
Go.
Officially, welcome back. First point for season 99.
This was Micah Go's first point since Game 2 of the Season 97 Finals.
Wow, imagine. Way too long.
She did not play a single match in Season 98, recovering from knee surgery.
Angel Habacon.
So it's got to feel good for Micah Go and even for us as volleyball analysts and fans.
Welcome back, MVP.
Pero eto,
Serving
pinapahirapan
for San
siya.
Beda is Angel Habacon.
Ito mga young and promising San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
That was not over para kay Tapa at that time.
4 touches.
Pero bago yun,
point
bago
goes to
magsabi
the
siya
Red
bakon
Spikers.
kanina, makikita natin yung mga decision niya na sobrang bilis eh. Kung kanina panay palo siya, kanina naman dinapbol niya kung saan walang depensa. Itong CSB Lady Blazers, kaya nung pumunto si Abacon kanina, it's not just she's strong, pero meron din siyang wit and smart plays in her arsenal.
Christy Ondangan.
Christy Ondangan with a quick attack for Benilde.
Now serving for CSB is Jayden Taba.
Daily care, that's way too powerful para madepensahan.
Molina.
Attack error. Point goes to the Lady Blazers.
Nag-hesitate si Tayak, kaya naman sobrang awkward na nung hitting angle na kinuha niya at yung kamay niya masyado nang mababa.
Hentapa at the service line.
Substitution for San Beda, number 14.
Substitution
Captain
here,
Max
Tayag
Mag out.
magpapahinga
Number
muna.
5 returning is
And
Chai
China Castillo, sophomore, open spiker, is back on the floor para sa mga bedista.
Attack error.
So that's 3 straight points for the
First
Benilde Lady
technical
Blazers. Kaya naman sila ay papasok sa technical timeout with a 1-point lead. Diana Igual will give us an update at courtside when we return.
Mga kapuso at NCAA fans, welcome back to the volleyball action between the Benilde Lady Blazers and the San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Anton and Ancho, we really have to give it to the setters of both of these teams as in any good play. Sabi nyo nga kanina, hindi mawawala dito ang pagkakaroon ng good set. While Kat Molina struggled in her transition to being the setter of the team, both her and Clo Mondañedo agreed that the key to a good set are these 3 T's. That's training, timing, and of course, trust sa kanilang mga teammates na kaya nilang itong i-convert or kaya nilang i-convert ang bawat set into a good score for their team. What do you think about this, Anton and Angel?
Now serving
Well,
for
it
San Beda
shows,
is Jayden
Diana.
Cruz.
They're doing their job and they're doing it with fun and happiness in their faces. Worth it naman for me.
A joust at the top of the net is won by San
Erin
Beda.
Navarro.
Navarro. Naunahan si Pasarte sa pagkakataon na yun.
Oh, and the lead is back para sa side ng San Beda Lady Red Spikers. It's a good sign, Anton.
De la Cruz.
Good serve.
Pasarte. Ondangan.
Christy Ondangan.
Again, ang haba, hindi binabaw ni Ondangan. Alam niya kung sino dadalhin yung bola eh. Ganda ng court vision.
Serving now for
Nakita niya yung
CSB,
depensa
Mike
ng
Nago.
San Beda nasa gitna eh. Wala sa zone 5.
Castillo. Denied by Ondangan.
Christy Ondangan.
Single block coverage para kay Ondangan. No problem. Good timing.
Pasarte. Pasarte. Apostol. Castillo.
Chai Castillo.
That was a check ball para kay China Castillo. Off the bench. Pero ito yung kulang.
Serving now
Hindi
for San
napapasabay
Beda is
ng
Nat
decoy ng
Molina.
San Beda itong middle blocker ng CSB Blazers. Nahihirapan yung opposite spikers ng San Beda.
Difficult set.
Attack error. Point
Ondangan could
goes
not
to the Lady Red Spikers.
tip it over.
First error committed by Ondangan. That set was too low kaya naman nahirapan na siya mag-adjust para i-over yung bola sa kabila.
Molina, sharp serve. Apostol. Two blockers were there for San Beda. And Christy Ondangan
Christy
has
Ondangan.
played a good third set so far.
Mabilis na bawi para kay Ondangan. Kanina, commit siya ng attack error. Ay naman, puntos para kay Ondangan. Sa gitna na naman.
Serving now for CSB is Christy Ondangan.
Nawala pa ring sagot itong San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
Service error.
Service error by
Point goes
Christy
to the Lady Red
Ondangan.
Spikers.
The lead is back para sa San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
Serving now for
So
San
side out,
Beda
side
is
out lang.
Jai
Good side.
Castillo.
Good sign para San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
Dahil sa service error na yun, pinukpok tuloy siya sa ulo ni Mitch Gamit with that number. And San Beda looking good here in this third set. Navarro.
Being active sa net defense, Navarro. Daming block rebounds and then going for that drop ball sa walang tao. Gandang presence of mind.
2-point lead para sa mga bedista.
The biggest lead na nagkaroon itong San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Wow! 3-point lead.
And we will get to hear the voice of Coach Jerry Yee in this huddle.
Akin yun, akin yun. Sabi sa'yo naman lang sa open na cover tayo. Ano mo?
Actually, we won't get to hear the voice of Coach Jerry Yee in this huddle. I forgot. That's
Yeah.
Coach Jerry Yee.
Yeah. Hinahanap ko siya sa huddle, pero all I heard was the players' voices.
I forgot. Coach Jerry Yee does that often pala.
Yeah. So kailangan ng breather para makapag-usap-usap yung players.
Dr. Lorenzo of Emilio Aguinaldo College. I remember asking him that years ago, Coach, bakit hindi po kayo nagsasalita sa huddles nyo? And his answer to me was, lahat ng dapat nila pag-usapan ay napag-usapan niya sa ensayo. So pagdating sa game, dapat alam na yan ng mga players.
Wow.
That's his reasoning.
That's the confidence sa players mo, di ba? Timeout, upo ka lang. Hayaan mo sila mag-usap. 4-0 run para sa San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Bringing life to this game.
Stoke, check out. At naalala ko rin, Anjo, I don't know if you remember this, but in season 97, buong elimination round, hanggang sa finals, hindi tumime out si Coach Jerry.
Totoo ba?
Yeah. Wow. Game 2 lang siya tumawag ng timeout. Game 2 ng finals. But the whole elimination round and game 1, hindi siya tumawag ng timeout.
Grabe. Ayun ang definition ng nonchalant, brother.
Before 2 years before it trended on social
Yeah,
media.
it was Coach Jerry Yee himself.
The epitome of being nonchalant.
Yeah. Free ball para sa CSB Lady Blazers.
Basarte, kanina siya pupunta. Waylid Estoque. Bigat.
Ang bigat ng palo. The blockers were there, but it was too powerful para sa kanila. Madepensahan pa yun.
San Beda University.
Pag bumulak ka, siguraduhin mo na pag tumama sa'yo, bagsak mo bola sa kabila. Block mo siya. Ang problema nga rin yung kamay mo. Kaya ka na dyan, tumulong kayong dalawa. Oh, blocking stone ang gagawin mo sa tumalon ka lang ng tumalon. Pag may bola, kahit malayo ang bola, tumalon ka. Yun yung sabi ng blocker mo pag kailangan. Huwag kang kumapit lang. Tumalon mo lang sa
Alam mo, I was listening to Coach Edgar Baroga, pero tinitingnan ko rin yung huddle ng CSB Blazers. Sila ulit yung nag-usap, brother.
Nakaupo na si Coach eh. Kanina no
Oo.
first set, nakatayo pa eh. And actually, even in the second set, di ba, we saw him, the camera caught Coach Jerry very seriously talking to Micah Go.
Yeah.
Jerry Navarro.
First technical timeout na napunta para sa side ng San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
Second technical timeout.
We'll take a break. Let's see if Benil can recover. We are in set number 3. Nagpapatuloy ang ating coverage ng NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball. Dito sa third set na unang San Beda laban sa Benilde. As we see our Commissioner Dr. Robert Calo, NCAA Season 99 Volleyball Commissioner. So Anjo, in your eyes, bakit lamang ang San Beda laban sa two-time defending champions dito sa set number 3?
It's simple, brother. Nag-e-enjoy na sila ngayon. Kung kanina first two sets, makita mo sobrang pressure nila. Wala sila sa tamang system ngayon. Sinunod nila yung payo ni Coach Edgar Baroga na go back to the system. Huwag tayong maratel. Kung ano yung tinitraining natin, ilabas lang natin, tapos enjoy lang tayo. At yun lang, lumalabas. Dumidigat at lumamang pa nga itong San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
Oh, no timing there on that
Attack error. Point
spike
goes
attempt
to
by
the Lady Red Spikers.
Nolasco.
At nahihirapan na itong CSB Lady Blazers na punan itong 3-point lead ng San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
Last season, Benilde only dropped 2 sets for the entire season.
Sam Nolasco.
Pero ito na nga, ang bilis ng bahoy ni Nolasco with that running attack. Grabe, no? Huling talo mo, January 19, 2019. And it's 2024. Wow.
Dumana ang pandemic at lahat.
Oh, grabe.
Attack goes out. Point goes to the Lady Blazers.
And now CSB Lady Blazers trailing by 1.
11 points for Waylon Estoque. De La Cruz read like a book
It's a block point
by
for the Lady
Hentapa and
Blazers.
Nolasco.
It's rare no to see na quick yung aatake pero dalawa yung blockers sa harap mo kasi usually one-on-one lagi yan eh. Pero yun nga, so sobrang basang-basa ng CSB Lady Blazers itong atake na gagawin ni De La Cruz. Dalawa agad yung nasa harap niya.
2 straight points para sa Benilde. Angel Habacon is
Habacon.
the moment.
Yes! The revelation doing her thing. Single blocker going for that down the line attack. Puntos agad para kay Habacon.
Submission.
This is main character
Number
energy.
50.
I like your
Nasa
terms,
foul,
brother.
number 3, Gina Espina in.
It's
Serving now
giving.
for the
Pang ano eh,
Lady
pang
Red
Gen Z.
Spikers is Gina Espina.
And the terms are coming out with the way these players are expressing themselves on the court. De La Cruz keeping it in play. Angel, drop ball.
Attack goes out.
Wow.
Ganda pa, medyo parang off day
One goes to
niya. No?
Lady Red
Kanina pa siya
Spikers.
nagko-commit ng attacking errors para sa side ng CSB Lady Blazers.
19 serving.
And masakit yun kasi
17.
sila yung naghahabol for this third set.
Yun lang.
Attack goes out.
Ito yung mga kailangan i-capitalize ng San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Panghawakan na yung lamang nila.
for
Don't commit
CSB
errors
number
anymore.
7,
Kasi nga alam
Jaden
naman
out.
natin na
Number
sobrang
9,
dami
Gail
bawiin
Pascual,
para
number
sa
1,
side
Shanae Basarte
ng
out.
CSB
Number
Lady
8,
Blazers
Joan
nung
Montañedo
kalamangan
in.
nila. Kasi nga, grabe ang attacking prowess nila.
Nakatayo na ulit, brother, si Coach
Yeah.
Jerry. Okay, look at this adjustment, Anjo.
Yes, Molina bumalik sa kanyang favorite position last season and going for that check out.
Could this have been the plan all along?
Oh,
Certainly
nice
is.
theory, brother.
Gina Espina, rookie setter, now in the game along with Molina. And she's playing the setter role. Montañedo. Dorog. Habakon from the back row. Long rally and a long ball.
Attack goes out. Point goes.
Wow,
to the
that
Lady Red
was too
Spikers.
long para kay Stoke. A rare error para sa kanya. Makita natin, medyo nanaratel yung CSB Lady Blazers ngayon. Kaya naman napa-timeout si Coach Jerry.
Timeout. College of St.
Wow,
Benilde.
nagsasalita siya. brother.
Tatakot ka, didigpas mo. Eh, anong ginawa mo? Eh, pagka didikit ba yung bola sa net, hindi mo na magagawang paraan yun. Pag nakatalikod ka sa net, hindi mo kaya, hindi mo naiisip pa paano. Kaya lang, hindi mo magawa. Ang tanda na natin dito, kinakabahan ka pa. Hindi ka kinakabahan, ang pangit ang laro mo.
Silence.
Yes.
A rare sermon
Yes.
on national TV mula kay Coach Jerry Yee.
Pero ito nga kasi, kumpiyansa sa players na kilala niya ang bawat isa. Kaya alam niya ang laro. Alam niyang kinakabahan lang at hindi ito yung totoong laro. Yung dongan. Nilalabas lang niya.
Montañedo. Pascual. Puts it away.
Gail Pascual.
Good timeout para kay Coach Jerry and good conversion para kay Pascual.
Now here's the thing, brother.
Now for
Pascual is
CSB,
now in the
Gail
back
Pascual.
row.
Yes.
So tignan natin kung sino ang gagawa para sa Benilde.
Free ball para sa CSB Blazers.
Running attack. 2 straight points for the Lady Blazers.
Good bawi para kay Ondangan. Keep that head up high. Nakabawi ka na. Running spike. Hindi na depensa ni Habakot.
Timeout. San Beda University.
Pag may depensa kayo, huwag kayong gigil. Hindi depensa kayo, taas nyo yung bola para may chance tayo. Andun na yung opportunity. Tinatapon nyo rin eh. Ano? Dulo ka lang rito. Mag-quick ka. Ha? Dulo ka lang ha. Sige, sige, go, go.
Coach Edgar Boroga emphasizing na andito na tayo. Sayang, huwag na natin pakawalan.
2 straight points para sa Benilde Lady Blazers. Gail Pascual, serving is not really her strong suit. Last year, just 5 service aces for Gail. Most of her points really come from spikes.
Shai
And Shaina Castillo stops the bleeding for San Beda.
Ito na yung isa sa katulong ni Habakon kapag nasa likod si Habakon. China Castillo going for that long ball attack. Sinunod niya si Coach Edgar Baronga. Nahihirapan ng depensa ng CSB Lady Blazers habulin yung second ball sana.
Dorog gets that one in. Buhay pa. Montañedo, running attack.
Para kay Ondangan. Transition running attack yun. That's hard to set up pero well played by Montañedo and
Now
Ondangan.
serving is team captain Jessa Dorog.
Mitch Gamit has not seen action in this third set. Let's see if Benil can close the show without her. Lakas.
Wewe Stoke.
And we are tied 22-all. Kung saan nagsalita si Coach Jerry, it's a 4-1 run for Benil.
Yes, nagising sila eh. Kasi nga, hindi sila sayang nagsasalita si Coach Jerry pagdating sa timeouts. It's a wake-up call for them.
Loan Mondoniedo puts it away.
Substitution.
And more
For
importantly,
San Beda number
gives
3,
Benil
Espina out, number
the
5.
lead.
Lalena Rizapa in.
Na kanina pa nila hinahabol. This is very crucial serve para sa CSB Lady Blazers.
Loan, Estoque, Castillo.
Attack goes out.
And that was out.
Point goes
Match
to the Lady
point
Blazers.
para sa CSB Lady Blazers. Dorog bumalik sa service line. Ito na.
All it took,
Serving for the match.
brother,
the
was one
captain,
timeout.
Jessa Doro.
Yeah. And Coach Jerry Yee's voice to set things back in order. Estoque for the win.
Wewe Stoke.
Just like that.
Aha.
That's the end of the set number 3
Nagising.
in the match. The final score,
CSB Lady
25-11,
Blazers.
25-21, and 25-22.
So tumawag ng timeout
For
si
the
Coach
winners,
Jerry Yee.
because
Benil
of
was
the
down
Benil
21 to
Lady
18.
Blazers.
So they finished this set 25 to 22. So since that timeout, isang puntos lang yung na-score ng San Beda,
Aha.
yung Benil 7.
Nag-iba ang ihip ng
And now
hangin
play the school
nung
hymn of both
bumukas
teams.
ang mga bibig ng isang Coach Jerry.
I like how you put hangin in it for a weatherman.
Yes, sir.
Staying in character, Anjo Pertiera. Win number 2 here in season 99 of the NCAA for the two-time defending champions, the Benil Lady Blazers, as they sweep San Beda 25-11, 25-21, 25-22. At sa aming pagbabalik, makakausap namin ni Anjo Pertiera, ang player of the game. Don't go away.